Yes, people, I'm back with another video. Just before the video officially starts, I want to make sure everyone's liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing, because we need 5,000 followers and 1 million views as soon as possible. So now let me just get into it, man. And make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, people, man. I don't want to say it every single video. And if you are a regular viewer, because it doesn't tell me, or it can't show me who a regular viewer is, shout out yourself, man. Because there's a few people that regularly watch. Big up everyone who regularly watches. So, as everyone knows, Puma have been absolutely killing it this year with releases. So I've got another Puma one. The box is a bit different. I'm not sure why, just probably because of the model. So it does say soft foam plus optimal comfort again on the top. Then it's got the name. So these are Puma X-Ray Lite trainers in black, grey and red. Size 9.5. There was no size 10. 9.5 does fit me occasionally. Let's hope this one does. What no brand does is size conversion chart thingy on the bottom. Puma always does that. I don't know if they do that on the X-Ray XS XR. I can't even remember the name now. RSX RSX3. I'm having a howler. Yeah, let's get into these ones. So we've got a black, this is kind of a greyish, beigeish, black, white, grey, a bit of red. It does actually have a little hang tag that says soft foam plus optimal comfort. So these are more like a running shoe, kind of like a gym shoe. So it's got all mesh toe box, like a mesh toe box. It's got like a leather front, then leather and mesh. Very lightweight, I have to say, as compared to other Pumas. These are actually very light. So on the sole, it's just got, this is a bit different to the a bit more expensive models. I think this is a bit of a cheaper model. So it's got the Puma logo on the back and a little pull tab. Then again, literally the same as the other side on this side. So the mesh, bit of leather. I do like these. They'll be quite good for gym. Quite light, maybe to run around in. Do a bit of cardio with these on. Very light. Just for doing some walking. They do have, well, they claim to have super foam plus optimal comfort. Let me see if I can actually pull out the insole. Oh yes, that is a. So I've managed to pull out the insole, and if you actually look at that, it's a foam insole, quite a decent thickness. Looks like it could be comfortable. I don't know, some do have gel ones, etc. But yeah, let's hope this is comfortable. I don't really have the most to actually say about these, man. It's a bit of a different model. I think it's a bit cheaper than the other ones that I've purchased previously. So the RSX and the RSX3. I finally can say them right. Yeah, so this is a cheaper model. It feels quite lightweight. Could be a bit better looking, in my opinion. Decent, just for quite cheap at £30. At that price, you can't really go wrong. Plus, I do want to show different trainers that other people don't show on their channels. I want to be that person that does show the cheaper stuff, the more affordable stuff, and the less hype stuff. Because if we're honest, everybody's showing off hype. Everybody's got 100 pairs of Jordans. That's a bit boring. So I like to be a bit different and just show off different pairs of trainers which are cheaper in price, more easy. You're not going to see anyone resell these, if we're honest. Well, you're not going to see these being resold, man, for stupid prices any of that stuff. And that's what basically this channel is trying to be, just show off, you know, cheaper alternatives, just to show people that you don't have to queue up, you don't have to cry about sneakers, you don't have to take L's constantly. You can, you know, go buy some £40 trainers that will be good for the gym, for running, for even, you know, comfortable day-to-day trainers. And as always, please leave a thumbs up, like, yeah, thumbs up is a like, so comment, share with your friends on your socials, and subscribe. We need to get 5k subscribers. I said at the end of the year, I hope it does happen, so that means, you know, I need a couple hundred a month. And as always, on foot video will follow, so I'll do on foot video after this, and also on foot video as a separate video, just for everyone to kind of find that easier. But yeah, that's it. Take care, people.